Saka what happened? Parents akaenda kuya. The bodyguard zvakanyorwa newspaper. That was the correct sequence of my events. The food came because avanga vaudzwa kudhara kuti ndozvoda kuitwa. Bodyguard akati chikafu chamamuda kupa chef icho ndipei ndichidye. Ndotanga ndadya inini first. And that guy died. That aide, may his soul rest in peace. It's not only Temba anoita izvozvo. It's a network of people, network of assassins. Vaanoshanda navo vekusiya iwo. Chances are, if you have ever had a conversation with Temba, that conversation is kumared brick ikokakwe. Parents ate the second plate. Yanga ina aid. Yanga vaisira aid. Vanga vaisa futi poison imomo. But Temba is the reason why most people are dead as we speak. Parents Shiri. Temba hooked up his sister with Parents Shiri. Murikundinzwa here? Is there is Temba hooked up his sister with Parents Shiri. Ndishokudza inyaya yekwashiri. I mentioned it on the other space, but he hooked up his sister with Parents Shiri. Parents Shiri started dating the sister. Actually, I wanted control of March Central. Achida March Central kudaro, they connived kuti Parents Shiri. Inoza zveshe kuti unenge uchimanage wakasenge zvavaifunga kuti vari kuita kwandiri. Parents went ku Mashonaland Central ku function yanga iriko with his aide na driver. Asvika ikoko, and in fact before he went there he had already been tipped. Kana ndanyepaka vanhu ngavauye vataura kuti no, you're lying. Anga atotipirwa kunzi chef kwamuri kuenda uko pane zviri kuitika muda kupoisoniwa because military intelligence inenge itori information before CIO. So someone had already tipped them. Senge zvakaitika pavakandimisa kuairport, military had already been tipped kuti vada kundimisa. Saka what happened? Parents akaenda kuya. The bodyguard zvakanyorwa newspaper. That was the correct sequence of my events. The food came because avanga vaudzwa kudhara kuti ndozvoda kuitwa. Bodyguard akati chikafu chamamuda kupa chef icho ndipei ndichidye. Ndotanga ndadya inini first. And that guy died. That aide, may his soul rest in peace. It's not only Temba anoita izvozvo. It's a network of people, network of assassins. Vaanoshanda navo vekusiya iwo. Chances are, if you have ever had a conversation with Temba, that conversation is kumared brick ikokakwe. Parents ate the second plate. Yanga ina aid. Yanga vaisira aid. Vanga vaisa futi poison imomo. That man, uyu paakatanga kurutsa ropa mukomana uyu, akabva abuda nemota because you know how it is, maminister anofamba neconvoy. Akabuda nemota yavanga vaenda nayo yechi2. Parents akazoteera kuHarare. Asvika kuHarare, they had withdrawn security yekumba kwake. Ndikuudze, no one talks about it. I would say it. They had withdrawn his security. Kwakusina PPU. A home minister is supposed to have PPU. Is supposed to have personal protective unit. Personal protective unit. Iyo PPU. Vaimbogadha kwamunanga goko ndichiri kugara ko achiri minister. Bekuzeta rapi. Akasvika kumba kwake kusina security. Akafonera vana Moyo. Akafonera even VP. Parents. Story yemuHerald yekuti anzi Temba akazosvika ipapo ndiye anga ari he made himself look like a star of the show. That is not true. I will tell you inini ndinoziva nyaya yacho ine mhadzadzi dzaitaura john zvinhu zvemuherald ka munofanirwa kutora muchiisa salt because panenge paiswa chicken salt. Zvimwe zvacho ndezvekunyepa. Saka what happened? They had instructed my private hospitals not to admit him. That man died going from one hospital to the other looking for help. He was vulnerable. That's why I wrote he died like a fly. I'm sorry to the family. The family had approached me and said, you know what, Susan, isusu we know what happened and zvinototirwadzawo but tikumbira kuti usataure nezvazvo kana neniwo ndinotorwadziwa. He died like a fly because of keeping characters like Temba around. Parents called Temba. Temba delayed coming. He even called Mskana Sisiva Temba wanga achidanana naye akanzi andiko ndiri kufarm. The same guy who had given Temba a farm for his sister akati hazviti kuti ndikupe prasi zvevanhu akapiwa prasi randakambonyorera nichiti varungu ndo vanofama uku hausiwo unorima iwewe. Zvekuti hanzi I've had people call me siyape ukama and I've got people that I respect. Mana ndichotaura nawo achitaiwa usafumire baba vemwana wako. No, my son does not need those people. My son already has a community here. Even if I'm to die today, the Australians, they will never give Temba mwana. They will put him in if none of my relatives want my children, they will put them in foster care and they will make sure these children they grow in a way yokuti say mimi you will be shocked yokuti ndo vana vasuze now. They killed the parents Shiri. Temba, Auxilia, the sisters, they are involved in that death. They murdered that man. That's why you saw the drama raakazoita kumariro akumhanya akabata envelope yanga ikanzi afa neCovid-19. Baba vaye vakafa vachirutsa ropa. Don't listen to zimwe kuti anzi shortness of breath was one of them. He died a very painful death. Kana vanga vachi, why couldn't he be admitted at a hospital? One of the owners, inini I knew everyone kakuharare. Even pavakati baba vemwana wangu vafa paya, I called a few private hospitals ndichida kunzwa kuti zveshuwa here vakambouya. Remember vakanyepa vachitanzi he died at a private hospital in Harare. I called a few private hospitals kwandaiziva kuti uku anoenda, ndikafona kumanyame ndikabvunza masosi angu ekumanyame zvikanzi hakuna zvakadaro. Till ndakazoziva chokwadi of what happened. So you are dealing with a murderer. I just want you to know. You are dealing with a murderer. The other day I made a tweet and I did Nelson Chamisa is compromised. Most of you did not understand why I had said he's compromised. He's not compromised as in I said he's corrupt. No. Because of the people that are around him.